Now is the time to reject the industrial agriculture model, a model that came from war and behaves like war.
We live in a world of desertification, deforestation, and genocide.
Now is the time to let nature and women lead the way to an agriculture that is ecological, an agriculture that makes peace with the earth.
कि जैविक आप हमें भी बचा रही हो क्योंकि बीमारियां ज़्यादा फैल रही हैं रासायनिक से.
Women and indigenous people who have evolved agriculture, they are the scientists of farming with nature, who protect biodiversity and grow more food, working in partnership with life on the planet.
मेरा घर भी जंगल में है और जंगल के ऊपर में मेरा काम है.
Diverse Women for Diversity is a movement for diversity, for our cultural diversity, for our biological diversity. We resist monocultures of the mind. We stand for freedom.
We are all trying to save our future.
We cannot continue with the neoliberal thinking. We really need to reshape the discourse about health.
ये हमारा काम है.
Women stand together. They care for the seeds, they care for the children, they care for their family.
महिलाएं काफी जागरूक हो चुकी है और अपने हक के बारे में लड़ाई लड़ने लगी.
Creemos que ese puede ser el futuro de la humanidad.
It's the very idea of not being separated from nature because we are nature.
Our utopia is growing gardens, growing biodiversity, celebrating the earth and our oneness with each other.
La vida depende en el planeta de las semillas nativas de cada lugar.
Good things can be done and good things are being done. Perhaps we should speak more about it.
जागे जब ही सवेरा होगा, नहीं तो कहाँ से होगा?
Now is the time to let women lead the way.